I have a very big question in my mind that I would like to know because I am also in I was in her situation, same situation. So I would like to know like after marrying to an Indian and coming to India, even for traveling, um, what cultural differences you faced that was like so much shocking for you?
Okay, so this is like the third time I'm coming for a long time to spend at his place. Like let's say 1 month. Every time I come like for 1 month or something. And we spend so much time at home. So food is the first thing.
Oh, means you don't like?
I like the food, but it's very different.
Which
It's
one is your Maharashtrian favorite food?
Maharashtrian favorite food, I would say, is the one that your mom prepare, yellow
Puri?
yellow roll, like a yellow sushi.
अरे आपल्याला मला नाव नाही लक्षात त्याचं ते आपण एक वडा बनवतो बघ काळ्या मसाल्याच्या आमटीमध्ये खातो त्याला काळ्या मसाल्याच्या आमटीमध्ये ते येलो कलरचे नाही का आपण भजे सारखे असं काय मला लक्षात नाही त्याचं नाव.
पकोडा टाइप ना
त्या टाईप हां दॅट इट्स अ रोल इट लुक्स लाईक अ सुशी बट इट्स अ व्हेजिटेरियन मासवड्याची
मासवड्याची
भाजी
भाजी.
शी लव्ह दॅट करी शी लव्हज इट या
It's very good because that tastes like my own food. Yeah, and then also I like dal, no,
all type of
dal
dal she
tadka.
loves.
Dal tadka I like a lot. Yeah, food is one thing, the biggest cultural difference, and then also people here are very modest. No, modest. How to say?
Means cultural.
Like more towards shy.
Okay.
Like boys don't
They are not that much open.
right away. Maybe after some time they will be after being friends or something, but meeting first time and all, they sometimes they hesitate a lot, like these kind of things. And for us in my country, we are very open. Like from first day you are my best friend, like that. Like that open we are.
I can feel from your
Yeah. So it's like that. And here in India, people are a bit more close, shy. They take some time to open up.
Okay.
But
I think my culture also is so similar to your country. But in Iran also, I'm saying same like her country. People are mostly warm, especially if you are foreigner or something. They would like to know about you. They will so much. They will call you in their house. They will give you food. Like first time when Bhagwan came to my grandmother's house, he was like, "Bas, please, I cannot eat anymore." My grandmother was throwing. He was like, "If you don't eat, it's first time you came to my house. If you don't eat, I will not talk to you." Or like whenever my family talk to him, they show so much emotions. Like Tuch Pi Fida means like, I want to sacrifice my life for you. I love you so much. They always talk like this to him. I feel expression in different countries have different meaning. In India, mostly they express their love by giving food to their son. No? By giving food so much they express love. Come and eat puran puri.
Cheers.
Actually, I got very small thing for them. Iranian saffron, which is most famous in the world. Most famous saffron. Sorry, I put in this plastic. You can make sweets with it or like
You can chai.
chai.
You can make chai or
Much tasty.
milk also you can put. It's real saffron. It's from directly from farm. It's not like from anywhere else.
It's really
Thank
nice.
you so much. I hope you enjoy the taste of it.
Thank you so
I
much.
can smell it already from here.
Once you open, you'll understand smell.
Do you want to open it?
You can open it.
You can try.
From the plastic here,
Plastic is there.
I think maybe you tried.
I have tried. It's
It
smelling
smells
really
good.
good. Yes,
Yeah.
really nice.
Thank you so much.
So lazy out to you.
One or two lines only you
Just you
use
have to put
usually.
splash and you have to pour.
Okay, one only.
One, two or something.
Saffron is what? It's some flower that
The inside.
comes out of it.
Not all the flowers get that saffron, but some of it, right? That's why it's very precious.
Flower is there, yeah. One
that's
flower
very
is
precious.
there. In whole flower, only 2 of these lines come.
I know this
So
is
they
one of
collect.
the costliest
Spices.
spices in the world.
That's really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So another question came to my mind is that in your country, mostly women do cooking or man or both.
Okay. Now in that part is very much like anywhere else. Like the woman has to do everything.
Oh really?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
For example, my dad, if my mom is not there one day, then he doesn't know what to eat, what to prepare, for example.
Similar to my dad.
Yeah, they have very little experience in the kitchen.
Okay.
But I don't know what you feel, but at least from Rishi, and from other friends from India, I saw that boys can do so much cooking in India. Do you have like that kind of experience, or you see that?
Oh, he's very good and.
I think you also stayed in a hostel. Whoever stayed in a hostel.
Hostel boys are
they
like
used-
this.
I used to cook in a hostel. Like, that time.
Married to a hostel guy, you know?
Ah.
Guys, don't forget to marry hostel Indian boys. So actually, because from age of 13 he was away from family and living in hostel, so it's like he learned different things.
I know everything other than supper.
And not only about knowing, we always do everything together. Like if I am making chapati, because he doesn't know chapati, he makes sabji, food. Yeah. Or sometimes he makes. If I am period, I am having pain, he makes food.
So, how much spicy food can you handle now?
I think at starting when I came to India, because in my country they don't use the spices at all. This much only maybe they will put in the food. That also is like spicy for them. So starting when I came to India, I was like, I was not able to eat anything. My stomach was burning a lot when I'm eating something. And even paneer butter masala or any food I was trying, only little bit I could try. I was not able to eat anything. I was losing weight. But then after like 2-3 weeks, it's like I got more and more used to the food. Now, like normal spicy food is not annoying me. I'm used to
More
it.
spicy than me. And Iran, whatever we use in one day, spices, they use like for 1 month. Really, I'm saying. Like I gave them a starting 1 box of chili powder, still is there. 2 years gone, still is there. In India, it's like in 1 month it will finish.
When my mom, when last year she came to India, she was shocked. Once I bought raw mango,
and chili powder.
I was just putting mirchi and namak. I was like eating, and my mom was like, "You will die. This much mirchi you are eating." And your experience?
So, I also come from a family that they use only salt. They don't know this chili.
We should have married each other.
It would have been so much easier, right? Yeah, my family, they eat only salt. No, what is the name of the black one? Pepper. They don't use pepper also. Nothing, and that is the basic one. So when they came to India, it was so difficult for them. But I started learning eating with my Indian friends. Then I got more close to Rishi. I started eating more food. By the time I came here, I already learned eating. Like I eat normal spices now also. Not too much. Like I think kind of same level maybe we are.
I reduced my level.
You're
I reduced my level and her level is increased now, right? Okay.
I am eating less spicy than you. She's eating more spicy than me.
Of course, if she's eating 1 month, like whatever for 1 year she uses in 1 month, you said.
Now she's eating black pepper. I don't like that much black pepper. That circular thing is there now. She like.
In India, you don't use that much pepper. You
They
use other
in,
spices.
Biryani and
Mostly
she's eating a
In
lot.
the- So I have one more question for you. How was your first 3 years in India?
At starting, maybe some cultural differences were like so much shocking. Now also, sometimes I get shocked when I see some of things, like sometimes how people speak so openly without thinking how you will feel. Some people. But then at starting, some cultural differences were there. Like families were so much involved in Indian culture. In my family, it's not like this. They never even asked us how much money you have or like how you're managing or why you're not doing job or this type of things. They just say, just be happy however you like. This one was a little bit shocking for me in India. Even I remember once at starting when I was in village, one random woman, like neighbor, she saw me and she's like, how much you used to earn when you were in Iran? I was like, what? I was so shocked. My relatives also are not asking how much you used to earn, and some random person is asking. So a little bit boundaries are different, or maybe people are like more, how to say, simple
I
here.
don't understand what they're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
Even when we were traveling, a Turkish guy is asking how you met, your parents are okay or not for your marriage. Cab driver is asking. Means they are like so open. Means they don't know anything. They will ask anything. And if you didn't answer, they will be so sad. Whole way they will be like, means they will not talk to you. One day we were buying milk and biscuit and we were walking in society. One woman came, so this is your dinner, like milk and biscuit.
Why do you know what to know this?
Then I said, yes, it's so tasty, chai and biscuit. Daily we eat in dinner like chai and biscuit. It's so tasty.
Once also, his friend came to our house, means university classmate, and he's like, no, he was calling.
He was
calling and he's like, so every day you are ordering from outside, na?
Yes, every day I'm ordering.
Yeah. And another thing also was so shocking for me. Once his university classmates came to our house, then they were like, your house is 2 BHK or 1 BHK? Okay. Your refrigerator is for you or you rented? How much? How much you bought? Okay. Then what food you are making? You know chapati? I was like, oh my god, so shocked. And yeah. And how was your experience in India? Definitely, you are not living here. Maybe you have less experience, but at least you can say.
So, like, maybe I didn't deal that much with Indian people yet, but when I met his sister and brother-in-law, I also got shocked a little bit because we were together in the car, and then like we barely talked. Like we just say hi, we had dinner and this and that. But then they started like asking, so what is your job about? Like these kind of things. And we don't ask this thing in my country at all. Okay. And I felt like, oh, okay, they are asking me some questions to know maybe if I am focused girl, if I am working, like this kind of screening, right? Screening. So that was also like that time I felt the cultural difference.
Okay.
Because if you are like, for example, if you go to my country and this happens, like you meet your brother or sister meets your brother's girlfriend, let's say, in the first date they will ask very random things only, like hobbies and this kind of things only. Then next to next meeting they will start going a little bit more deeper, then a little bit more deeper. But in India is right away. Right? What do you do? What did you study? What did you study? And this kind of question, like right away. It's very important here. Yeah. But I understand because we were talking recently also about those profile things and all, right? Like they put everything right away there. So maybe that's why it's common for in India to say everything straight away, right? So guys, this was our day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog together with the Indian Persian couple and Indian South American couple.
It was very nice
It was very
spending time with you. I didn't understand how time passed.
It's like we didn't feel ki we met now only. It's like we know from long time.
They are so warm and
they are so
simple.
comfortable and so simple.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Same to you. Like you are very friendly, very open.
From the first time only we found like, we knew these guys, no, already. It's been a while we know each other.
I hope again we will meet and we have good memories and this
I'm
thing.
just sad that you're going so fast.
Where that Nico also we met and she went to Philippines.
Actually, whenever we met good people, like
They are
we
going.
felt they are so nice and so much similar to us.
They are going.
They are going
Suddenly
right
they are going out of India.
One couple was the same, like Iranian Indian couple.
Okay.
They went to Philippines.
Oh.
So now we are going to Germany.
Yeah, Miss
Yeah.
13 years she was in India, but when we met them, they went to Philippines.
But it's okay. Don't worry. We will come always like twice in a year or something, so we can meet whenever we come.
hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to both the channel, Indian
Indian
Persian couple,
and
Ara and Rishi. Yes.
Please like, share and subscribe. मत भूलना. फिर मिलेंगे.
Bye.